Infocomm 2021 was recently held in Orlando, Florida. Thankfully, this year it wasn't virtual.
Get out of the rectangular space and build other shapes and sizes of displays that are interesting to the human eye and make the space more interesting to be in. There's a lot more high resolution product being used outdoors, probably because of COVID. And a lot of people are now trying to use the outdoor space at their hotel or their casino or even their house. So before, once you headed outdoors, it was 10 millimeter, 15 millimeter, 20 millimeter resolution, because you pretty much assumed everybody was going to be a long way away.
From IO Audio Technologies. This jacketing, on the other hand, is what's called low smoke zero halogen. So it's kind of a new jacketing, not so much new in that it's invented yesterday. It's been around in Europe for a long time, but it's kind of new coming to the United States market. This, we call it the thread saver. So it may not look like much, but it's actually an insurance policy.
I'm here with
Manuel from ABC for Store. So we're one of the biggest South Florida stores for photography and video. We carry a lot of brands like Godox, that is the one that you're representing here today, but especially we do have other brands like Sony, Canon, Fuji, Red cameras. We have some other lighting products as well. So yeah, basically we're dedicated to provide every filmmaker or photographer with great quality products and a great price. And we do offer service. We have studio rentals and everything.
Brandon from Vectorworks. So yeah, it's great to actually see people in person.
Yes.
It's been forever. Vectorworks is 2D, 3D CAD software. So what we're able to do is you can draw in a 2D environment, extrude out to a 3D environment, or you can just be all 3D if you wanted to do that. You can do either one. As you put in all of your objects, everything has data attached to it. So as you're attaching data, you can then pull that data to generate reports. You can do a data visualization system, so you can color code everything inside of your file.
Nice.
You can do cable and rack planning as well. And with our ConnectCAD product, you can trace signal flow, see how much cable you actually need to actually hook all of your systems up, as well as print out reports.
I'm Todd Liedall, the Managing Director for AV Stumful USA. So what it does is it gives you the ability to raise and lower the screen that simply.
Wow. And that was
as there's thunder.
Wow.
One of the really neat things about it is you can lower the screen all the way down to about an inch off the ground. So when you're moving it around in the ballroom or whatever, you have very low center of gravity.
Nice.
It's a lot safer
That's
to
always
move
good.
it around that way and easier. And then once you have it where you need it, you just simply do that to raise it into the height you want.
So we got a lot of things going on here in our booth today, but we are Froggy's Fog. We have been in the industry for 19 years. We started out as a fluid manufacturer, which meant we made all the fluids for the fog machines and stuff like that. Then we have since blossomed out to not only fog machine fluids and snow machine fluids, but scent fluids, and we actually started making our own machines, which you'll see in a little bit.
Well, that would be nice. That would be the only way I'd be at Infocomm next year. For interview videos from select vendors on the show floor of Infocomm 2021, please check out the playlist. For this video, thanks for watching, and remember you can't spell Dave without AV.